How to create YouTube channels for beginners. Want to start making money on YouTube channel and you don't know where to begin? If you have never had a YouTube channel and you want to create one, or you want to create a brand new YouTube channel, then stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create your YouTube channel from scratch. So welcome to AB Growth Guide. Do well to hit that subscribe button and click that notification so you don't miss this valuable content like this. So let's dive into it. First thing you need to do is to create a brand new YouTube channel. If you don't have a Google account, that is what I'm going to walk you through. So first of all, go to youtube.com, and in this upper right hand corner, you're going to see a sign in button. We're going to click on sign in, and at this point, if you don't have a Gmail, you're not going to see any of this account here. But what you will see is use another account, or it might just say create an account. But for me, I'm going to click use another account. So you're probably going to see this window right away. And now what you can do here is actually create account by just clicking create account. And you have three options here. First option for personal use, for a charge, or to manage your business. You want to eat for myself because it's probably just your own personal YouTube channel. But eating manage my business, it's actually going to give you more options that you wouldn't be able to do if you click personal account. One of these perks of having a brand account is multiple people can sign in into your account. Rather than signing in through your Google or using your password, they can sign in into your account. Your staff can upload your videos or comment or reply comments on your behalf. If it is your personal account and you want someone to log in into your account, you will have to release your password for them to be able to access your account. So for this tutorial, I will be going with my personal use. You could actually pick your choice. I'm going to pick for my personal use. Now you need to fill out this page, your name right here. This is not going to be what shows up on your YouTube channel. You'll be able to choose that later. So you can really choose whatever you would like here. Hit next, then fill up this page, date of birth and your gender, and hit next. Fill in your email address if you have one already, or right underneath here, you can just hit get a Gmail address instead. Some Gmail will be suggested for you to choose, and if you don't want any of these, you could click create another one under here. So you can now create your username that has at gmail.com. So I'll be going for the one suggested for me. So you can feel free to explore more by hitting this one instead. So this is the page you would need to create a strong password for your Gmail, and then you're going to hit next. And then we need to fill this page out for Google. You will hit next again, and then on privacy and terms, you could read this and then scroll down at the bottom. You will hit I agree. And it says your Google account is now set. Now you can add your profile. So what we want to do actually is hit not now. So we are gonna go straight to YouTube and finish creating our YouTube account. The next one is how to manage a YouTube channel. Now we are back on the YouTube page and we know our channel is created because up here we can see our icon and our name. But there's a very important step you need to know next. I want you to go up here and hit view your channel. This is a brand new channel. What you want to do now is to customize your channel, changing channel name and all that. So it will bring you to your YouTube studio. YouTube studio is your dashboard where you can edit everything that you needed to edit. On this page, you can upload your profile picture that will appear on your channel for viewers to see. I have full tutorial on how to make your first video, create your banner and profile picture. You need to watch that also. Very easy to make. So kindly subscribe and hit that like button so to get more valuable content from this channel. So let's continue. So this is where your channel name can be changed. I recommend you change it because that will appear here on your channel. The next line is your YouTube handle. You can see like your social media handle. So that can also be edited. And this box here describe what your channel is all about. You need to specify it here. Is it about gaming, finance, or self-development? It will appear like this on your channel. You can add your social media links like your Twitter or Instagram, have other social media links you have. Also, your contact information for your viewers to reach out to you. Do not put your Gmail address used to open your YouTube here. I recommend you open a new Gmail address for this, just for security reasons. You can also upload watermarks. If you want watermarks to show all through your videos, you can add watermarks manually when editing your videos. So after all this had been done, you hit publish. So you can now view your channel to see your modification. You are officially a YouTuber. So you can view your studio from here. That is your YouTube dashboard where you upload your videos by clicking here. You can also check your channel analytics here and your earnings. You need to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 365 days before your channel can be monetized. So remember that if you want to change your name at any point, you can do that. You just got to go into your settings and change that. There is one last thing that is most important part of this video, and you definitely want to do this. The next step is to give you access to do custom thumbnail. You can post videos 15 minutes or longer. You can live stream, and you can also appeal content ID claims. So the next one is how to verify a YouTube channel. This is how you can do it. Back on your youtube.com, you want to click on that icon again. This time you want to go into the YouTube studio. In the YouTube studio, you're going to go to this bottom left corner. You're going to go into the settings. Next, we are going to click on channel and then feature eligibility. We can see that the default features have already been enabled, but for this, we do want to enable this as well. And all you need to do this is you need to verify a phone number. So click on that button. You want to hit test me. I like to have them just send a test and it happens right away. You type in your phone number and then you want to hit submit. Right away, you're going to get a text message and then you want to put the 6-digit number into Google. You will hit submit. And now, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified and you are completely set up. Wait, have you subscribed and liked this video yet? If not, what are you waiting for? If you are wondering when you should follow these steps and start your YouTube channel, my answer is simple. Right now. Yes, now. Get up. Create your channel. Make your first video today. Let's keep growing, achievers. See you in the next video.